robot pirate thingies, Capt Patelliday.
Robot pirates?
I know, right?
How?
They noodled him.
Oh, a very effective method.
Not the point.
Which direction did those robot pirates take him?
There.
Ah, just you wait. I'm Jaws of Fury, itching to chomp me some titanium skull. Hey, where are we going?
What's that sound?
Look. Nuts.
Let me tell you something, Water! Water! What? Raft doesn't do water!
Pick another alien! Like me!
You better save Raft! The Raft is gonna drop kick you, awkward alien partner!
I could use some help!
Keep that water off of Raft! Let me tell you something, Waterfall! Ah!